Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll go over how to create a Shopify coming soon countdown timer. So now, let's begin. First thing we need to do is open your Shopify in your web browser. Now, click on Apps, then search for countdown timer. You have different options here. You can choose any app that has a countdown timer. Now, we'll go with Essential Countdown Timer bar. Click Add App, and it will redirect you to this page. And then click Install App. Now it's gonna redirect you again inside the Shopify. Click on Essential Countdown Timer, then create a new timer. You can select different types of timer type. And here, you edit the details on your timer. And that is how to create a Shopify coming soon countdown timer. And that's everything for this video. If this helped, please leave a like and subscribe.